I'm on a rampage, mask on my damn face.
The Russians don't need Ukrainian attacks on their soil, they are destroying themselves on their own. 3 drunken Russian soldiers, angered by late paychecks, decided to get revenge by setting the barracks of the 150th Motorized Rifle Division on fire. The military base in the Rostov region of Russia was consumed by the flames. No word on wounded or dead. And the everyday fires and explosions are continuing in Russia. The Warthog Defense already reported that maybe the US Special Forces are behind the attacks, and that angered a lot of folks. That's because they don't understand what special war is. The funny thing is that people say the claim about the US forces' involvement is pro-Russian stance. But contrary, official Kremlin don't want to confess that Ukraine or anyone else is capable of strikes on Russian soil. In St. Petersburg, in business center Bereg, fire broke out. Evacuated employees watch how storage facilities burn out. This footage of an impressive strike on the positions of the Russians in the Donetsk region appeared on social media. When the footage were made is not specified. Two Russian T-64BV tanks were destroyed by the Ukrainian 59th Motorized Brigade north of Lazov, Donetsk Oblast. Ukrainian recruits are trained to operate the 105mm light howitzers L-119 supplied by the US and Britain. Ukrainian 2S-7 Pion in action.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.